the RMA network, supporting independent livestock and property agents.
Hello viewers, Ben Jones.
Andrew Whan of Whan and John here, Friday the 8th of February on our monthly store cattle sale here at Mount Gambier. Look, an outstanding yarding of Angus weaner steers started the sale. Plenty of weight in these steers too, been weaned a good 6 to 8 weeks, and plenty of steers 380 to 400 kilos. Job here today a lot stronger than we anticipated, which was great for our vendors that have held on to the cattle for so long.
Price wise, look, our job probably 20-25 cents dearer on the steers than what we were last month, and I'd say a similar rate on the heifers, where season wise we're still very lucky compared to most regions of Australia, but we're punching along pretty well, and I suppose with a bit of a sniff of rain in a few places, and we're not getting too far away from the break. I think maybe possibly people thinking that they get in earlier rather than later, because my feeling on the job, we're going to kick on pretty well in the next couple of months, and you'll see a good increase, I'm hoping, both in store value as well as fat value.
Great sale with a lot of local restockers going back on grass, and also the feedlots chasing those 400 kilo cattle, so that was very good. Heifers traded about the same at rates of 220 cents to 250 odd cents. Again, probably the more cents a kilo for the cattle to go straight out on feed, but a very, very good sale in general, and all the vendors and agents would be delighted with what we've received here today.
Oh yeah, look, female market on Monday. A very good yarding proposed, consisting of cow and calf and foot, plus PDICs, and yeah, a great opportunity to pop down to the mount and see some very well bred cattle and secure some future breeders. Thanks very much.
Yeah, hi, Scott Creek in Mount Gambier today. We had a store sale here on the Friday afternoon. We purchased a few cattle out of here today, which into the black steers made up for $3 or a little bit over. A lot of our cattle today sort of 265 to 75 that we purchased through the black steers, and some coloured cattle as well. Into the heifers, the heavier heifer job was probably all right, but we ended up picking up a few lots of heifers from 230 to 250 through the heavier heifers, and then into some lighter, plainer heifers there today, down to $2 to $2.30 as well. So, but yeah, here at Mount Gambier overall, it's probably about 15 cents dearer than I thought it would be from a buying perspective. So, pretty good run of cattle, and job held up all right. Thank you.
Are you partnered with an RMA network independent livestock and property agent?